And there are several other countries, maybe like countries like Philippines and what you call as Mauritius and several other countries which cannot afford to buy medicines at the rates which are available in Europe. And they look towards India, the African countries, they look towards India as a source of medicines for good quality at less costs. We want to show that our quality is second to none in the world in providing the medicines. Similarly, we would like to focus and promote the education of our country. Now there is a craze for people to say no, Western education or European education to go for pharmacy is required, but now with the PharmD program and other programs being developed and coming in India, I think our education system is equally competent and strength, which some students from other countries may like to have from in our country. And last one is to consolidate the pharmacy movement in the country and tell that though we may be pharmacy graduates, diploma holders, postgraduates, researchers, academicians, practicing pharmacists, but we all are one, that is we are all pharmacists. So this will be the focus of the conference.
Thank you. Finally, a last question. It is general opinion that pharmaceutical industry professionals are not keen to visit IPC, and majority of attendees are from educational institutions. What do you say about this?
See, initially again, when the conference was initially planned by then planners, they thought, Indian Pharmaceutical Association should conduct a pharmacy conference where scientific deliberations should take place. Then the Indian Pharmacy Graduates Association, Hospital Pharmacy Association, other associations got together. Now there are 5 associations as a part of the IPCA. And over a period of time, the number of delegates have increased from 500 to 600 to 1000 to now we are looking at 5000 delegates in a Congress. So now, though IPC has some of the excellent scientific programs highlighted for the benefit of industry, for the benefit of academia, for the benefit of students, now I can say IPCA is not just a scientific program or an industry-based program. It is, I call now as the spirit of the pharmacy profession. IPCA is the spirit of pharmacy profession. Every pharmacist in the country feels happy to be associated with IPCA and identify himself as a pharmacy professional. So that is what it symbolizes.